Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix Studio. If you're new to Wix Studio or want to learn the basics, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know to get started. Let's get started. First, head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, click on Wix Studio from your dashboard. If you haven't created a project yet, click Create New Site and choose whether to start with a template or build your website from scratch. After your site opens in the Wix Studio editor, take a moment to explore the interface. On the left-hand side, you'll find the main toolbar, where you can add elements, manage pages, access your assets, and customize your site's design. In the center, you'll see the Live Editor, where you can build your website visually. To begin editing, click the Add Elements button and drag components such as text, images, buttons, galleries, or containers onto your page. You can reposition and resize each element to create the layout you want. Next, click on any element to customize its content, style, colors, fonts, spacing, and animations. You can also use the Pages panel to create additional pages and organize your site's navigation. Once your design is complete, click the Preview button to see how your website looks on desktop and mobile devices. Make any final adjustments if necessary. Finally, click Publish in the top right corner to make your website live. Your changes will now be visible to visitors using your published website link. And that's it. You've successfully learned the basics of using Wix Studio. If you liked my video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.